splash, splash, splash. Noun. Definition: a sound made by something striking or falling into liquid. Example: we hit the water with a mighty splash. Noun. Definition: a prominent or sensational news feature or story. Example: a front page splash. Verb. Definition: cause, liquid, to strike or fall on something in irregular drops. Example: she splashed cold water onto her face. Verb. Definition: print, a story or photograph, especially a sensational one, in a prominent place in a newspaper or magazine. Example: the story was splashed across the front pages.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.